All right, everyone. That was a wrap. End of day one. The attendees are coming out of their sessions. We're going to close the day. We've had a number of good tech demos here, a number of good panels. One thing that stuck with me was something that was spoken earlier today about there being milestones for people change and organization change. And you can feel like the company has changed and achieved that milestone after a while, but technology doesn't have those kinds of changes. Technology just keeps on evolving. And I think that's a pretty neat mindset to have, where you're on a transformation journey and you're very focused on the lake house or the data mesh and all these kinds of things. But really what you're doing is transforming your organization's ability to provide services, to respond quickly to market changes, to provide a better experience for your customer. And you can make enormous changes in your capability as an organization. And I think those you can put milestones on those, and that's a pretty neat concept. It's neat that a lot of these things that we're talking about now are what you would traditionally call as soft values, and that we simply have now technology that's enabling it. And coincidentally, of all the talks we've had today, we haven't spoken a single thing about super techie stuff. The most techie thing we spoke about was the feature store. And even that was sort of, let's just assume it works, and it does. Because, we've reached a stage where these technologies are mature enough that they're embedding best practices and that kind of thing. So I'm looking forward to the talks tomorrow. I think it's going to be a bit of the same. It's going to be people, pointing out the best practices that have been embedded in technologies. We're going to have some good conversations with interesting panelists again. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow morning to my colleague Errol. That's going to be here on this main stage. And I think that's about it from me for today. In a couple of seconds, we're going to have some closing remarks from the chairman, and I'll be seeing you around.